Dear friends, in this video, we're going to learn the fourth exercise of lesson 1. The fourth exercise of lesson 1. The title, Complétez avec un pronom sujet ou un pronom tonique. Complete with a subject pronoun or a tonic pronoun. I hope you all remember the subject pronouns. Let's do a small revision. The subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. I hope you remember the translation, but let's do a revision. Je is I, tu is you, il is he or it masculine, elle is she or it feminine, nous is we, vous is you, il is they masculine, elle is they feminine. Now, the tonic pronouns are always used near the subject pronoun. In other words, tonic pronoun is always used to emphasize. And it's also used after the word and. What are the tonic pronouns? When the subject is je, it is moi. When the subject is tu, it is toi. When the subject is il, it is lui. When the subject is elle, it is elle. When the subject is nous, it's nous. When the subject is vous, it's vous. When the subject is ils,eux. When the subject is els, it is elles. So these are the subject pronouns and these are the tonic pronouns. Moi, je. Toi, tu. Lui, il. Elle, elle. Nous, nous. Vous, vous. Eux, ils. Elle, elle. Let's check out the first sentence. Dash parle Hindi. Now before a verb, you will always have a subject pronoun. So you speak Hindi. So this you, it's not the tonic pronoun, but it is a subject pronoun because usually the subject pronouns are always placed near the verb. So here we need to put vous, vous, because the verb, it's a regular ER verb and it's a regular ER verb and it ends with EZ. So by looking at the ending, we know that the subject pronoun should be vous, vous. Vous parlez Hindi? You speak Hindi? Or do you speak Hindi? Let's see the second sentence. Dash vous appelez comment? Now this verb, it's a reflexive verb. In the infinitive form, it is s'appeler. So this is how they'll ask the question, how do you call yourself? Or what is your name? But in French, they'll say, you call yourself how? That's a literal translation. In other words, how do you call? How do you call yourself? So this vous, it's not the subject pronoun. It is placed before the verb. It looks like a subject pronoun, but we know this verb s'appeler, it's a reflexive verb. So this vous, it's your reflexive pronoun, but before the reflexive pronoun, you'll always have a subject pronoun. So since the verb ends with is, ez, since the reflexive pronoun is vous, we know that the subject pronoun is again vous. So you'll get vous appelez comment? You call yourself how? Or how do you call yourself? Or just say, what is your name? The third sentence, vous êtes indien? See now, the first vous, that is your tonic pronoun. They have already used a tonic pronoun to emphasize you. And then the second dash, it's your subject pronoun they're expecting you to put because a subject pronoun will be always placed near the verb. So you are an Indian. So they're trying to emphasize me, I'm French. You are an Indian. So if you want to stress Or if we want to emphasize, we will always use tonic pronoun. But did you see a subject pronoun is placed near the verb, a tonic pronoun is placed near the subject. So since this dash is meant for a subject pronoun, and since the verb is an irregular verb, very important irregular verb être, and when the subject is vous, your present tense of être is e chapeau tes. Vous, vous êtes Indien. You are an Indian. Fourth one, je m'appelle Remy. My name is Remy. And how about you, sir? My name is Remy. And you, sir? I told you initially, tonic pronoun is also used after this word and. It's used to emphasize. And how about you, sir? My name is Remy. And how about you, sir? So, since you're giving respect to that person, we'll use which tonic pronoun? It's not toi, but it is vous. Je m'appelle Remy. Et vous, monsieur? The fifth sentence. Et dash, comment tu t'appelles? And dash, how do you call yourself? And dash, what is your name? See, here also we are trying to emphasize or to stress. So we need to use and you. Now, which you? Since the subject is tu, we need to use the tonic pronoun toi. And you, et toi, comment tu t'appelles? And you, how do you call yourself? So this is how you need to identify when to use a subject pronoun and when to use a tonic pronoun. In this exercise, the tonic pronoun is always used after this word and. And you, sir, and you, how do you call yourself? And the subject pronouns are always placed near the verb. Vous parlez, vous vous appelez, vous êtes. So I hope you've understood. Please try to by heart the tonic pronoun according to the subject. You need to learn it together. Moi, je, toi, tu, lui, il, elle, nous, vous, eux et ils, elle. I hope you've understood this exercise. Please go through the other videos to learn the other exercise. Thank you.